Alright, 2003 Avalanche here at Rice Toyota. Just giving you all around walk around on this thing. Black. Leather. See back seats. Comes with a Chevrolet carpeting, rubberized carpet. Of course, you have your controls in the back. It's got a lot of grip on them. Z71. Of course, that's your back part. Let's go and let this bad boy down. There's your other side on the, this on taken from the driver's side. Let's take a look under the carpet. That's your steering. Start up. So you do have your radio there with your controls. Some, like most GM vehicles, some of those things peel off after a little while. That's your actual mileage. But I just wanted to give you a brief overview. Give me a call if you have any questions. 336-288-1190.